Hey Kiara, it's your boy Mark. I was in the area, so I wanted to give you and the GreatHomesATL family an update on the construction of your home. Love, love, love it. I will zoom out in a second so we can get a view when we go inside, but it is looking great. The brick is drying out, and you can see how the lighter brick looks amazing. And looks like some painting has gone on as well. You see this area here, it's been painted, and this is the hardy plank. That's the shake material, both made out of concrete. Great product to insulate and paintable, obviously. So let's go in and take a look. Showing you kind of the cul-de-sac. Zoom out. All right, let's go in. So obviously this will be your driveway. They use that for the concrete to lay the brick. Any scaffolding. Windows are in, doors looks like they've been delivered. So making great progress, on track for, looks like an October closing. So let's start walking it. Oh, I love the covered front porch. The water table brick down at the bottom. Now you can kind of see, I'll zoom in. Love, love, love. All right. Let's see if I can walk and not drop the camera at the same time. Love the trim over the windows. All right, let's walk in. Here we go. Drywall is in. So when you see this, the white area, that's where the nails were when they put the drywall. So they basically plaster it and sand it down. And then the next phase will be to paint. You see where the outlets are as well. So let's see, this is the drywall with the nails. So they use this, the putty to put over it and then sand it down. But here's your entranceway. And over here to the left, this is the flex room, which you'll be able to use however you want. Dining room, home office, study, den. Got the nice window in here. You can see the vents going in. So your lighting will go, your outlets along the wall. Ooh, nice, open and airy. All right, before we get there, let's look over here. The closet looks like. And then the bathroom. So that's where your sink, toilet, and then little closet area. This will be the staircase. Love it, dramatic. Lights going in, and then here we go, kitchen. A beautiful island area right here. Gorgeous. Love all this cabinetry it'll have in here. Beautiful. This is the water line for refrigerator. That's where you plug in your refrigerator, right there. Little entranceway mudroom area. All the cabinets for the microwave. And of course, the sink right here in the middle. In this beautiful, beautiful family room. I love that they give you this framed out area here. Not all builders do that, you know, and I think it gives you the distinction that you need between the kitchen area and your family room. This obviously be your kitchenette area. You put a table. If you decide not to do that front room for a dining room, you could do a more formal dining room over here. Here's your garage area. That's where your water heater will go. This will be the electrical circuit breaker. It's great, so when you come in, have your pantry over here, and then be able to bring in all your groceries, another closet area. Beautiful. All right, let's look a little bit more into the family room. I love the 3 windows, wall of windows. Mantle is going in. Fireplace is in. You can put your flat screen TV. This will be the switch to turn on the fireplace. I think it's electric if memory serves me right. And you got these gray areas on both sides to either, do as console tables or furniture or do build outs. And I like that you got this extra wall here. Back to the front. Before we go upstairs, let's peek out the back. Oh, the covered back porch is in. Love the extended concrete patio. Great idea. Now, let me start to step on here. I got the white sneakers on today. Had to get filthy. Got a beautiful backyard. Obviously, you have a lot of space here. If you ever wanted to add a pool, you could, but this is going to be a great area just to eventually maybe fence in. You could kind of talk to your neighbors to see if it's okay maybe to connect to theirs, and it just, it'll save you some money instead of having to do 4 sides or 3 sides. I have to just do 2, and there's a little bit to each side on the back end. Love the covered back patio, and then the grilling area there on the left-hand side. Very, very nice. And you got in at the right time. As you know, property values just continue to skyrocket, especially here in Cobb. Really all over the place, but Cobb is always very popular. Beautiful. And you got windows in, which is always the thing that you kind of got to check out for as far as any delays, but you got them in. So looks like some doors have been dropped off as well. Heading up the staircase. Of course, there'll be railing here. Washroom. Washing machine, dryer. Knee wall. Love how open an area this hallway is. Bedroom 1, nice big extended window, corner walk-in closet, nice high ceilings as well here. I'll be patching that up, the drywall there. Outlets. Bedroom number 2, gorgeous, another window there. Closet. Beautiful. The vent outlet. Area for the ceiling fan or light. Hall closet, towels and linens. Love this bedroom, bedroom number 3. Double window in this one. Probably a good spot to put your bed, and then the flat screen TV or table with TV on top of it. Another wall to work with, the double windows. The overhang here for the front porch. Closet. The full bath, tubs in, tub shower, toilet, cabinet, the sink. Love the high ceilings again. And then this killer primary bedroom. Got the tray ceilings in here. Wow, this room is, I remember from the model, this room is huge. I can't wait to see your decorating for this one. Then you have the little inlet there as well, area for your flat screen, more outlets. I mean, you have basically a couple sitting areas that you can work with, like over here to the left. Could do a great sitting area with the indentation from here to here. The high tray ceilings. windows again. I love this primary suite. And then your primary bath, got the frosted glass, nice soaking tub, stand-up shower. Looks like they're getting ready to do the tile. Then your double vanity sinks, water closet, and then the fabulous primary closet, double-sided. Inside, this would be a perfect area for a mirror, lighting. So it looks amazing. We got brick on now, we got the paint, got your covered porch, front and back. Looks like doors have been delivered. So next you probably just see you'll see these walls painted, see some of those banisters going in. Once you see cabinets, and it really moves, because then they'll lay down, obviously, the flooring and really pick up from there. So hope you're as excited as I am. I definitely am. So you got the pictures from when it was just dirt to framing to now this. So great progress. All right, we will catch up with you soon. And to everybody else, love to take you guys along on this journey. We have a whole section on our IGTV and YouTube for under construction homes for our clients. So you could kind of see and get just as excited about the process, literally from dirt to framing, to drywall, to the home stretch. Now to close within probably, we'll be at about 45 days. Exciting. All right, Kiara, I'll talk to you soon. Take care.